If you want to add weather to the home screen on Google Pixel 10a, usually you can use the At a Glance widget that is added by default on the home screen. But if this widget does not contain any information about the weather, you can press and hold your finger on that widget and tap on Settings. And then in here you will probably scroll down to this Customize section, and you want to make sure that weather and air quality maybe and stuff like that is enabled in here. Besides that, you can also press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen and go to Widgets. Now in here in Widgets, you might be able to find the weather widget in here, or you can swipe to Browse, and then we can try to find the Pixel Weather app over here, which contains these two widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna press and hold our finger in order to then add it to any of these options. If it says location unavailable, you can tap on Settings and press Continue, grant the access to the location, and then we can try to reload the widget, and then you should be able to use this little widget over here. You can also change its size if you want to. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.